Benjamin, if the information is off head, you can share the guidelines of how we can do it in WHM, but I can also go here and check and on AI and check.
I think Benjamin left the call.
Oh, okay. So let me see. Enable TXT record configuration for what? For domains in through WHM. WHM is Web Hosting Manager. Yeah. So yeah, it says navigate to DNS management or something. This is typically found on the left control panel. Then select record types and or advanced. This will allow you to configure different types of, including add the text. This is like adding, but anyway, let's try to go there and we see. Or enable record configuration for domains through. Okay, yeah. Are you there yet?
Yeah, I'm logging in.
You are logging in, eh? Okay.
I'm struggling with a series of password protect. I have accessed so many passwords.
I can imagine. Yeah, actually, I think it was also important to go through this challenge of configuring, because I'm sure there are many people who would leave a server because they don't see those records. They'll be like, server take.
Are you ready for me to screen share?
Yeah, you can share. What?
Where I should go first?
Huh?
I'm just trying not to overshare.
Okay. They say navigate to DNS management. But maybe, wait a moment, whatever is this? Let me change my to DeepSeek, my model, because let me go to ChatGPT, because this thing here that I'm using works offline, so it does not go to internet. Okay, so it might give us things that are very, very odd.
Where to see?
Enable TXT configuration, TXT record configuration for users in WHM. Okay, let's see.
Should it be for a specific user?
I don't remember if it has it. No, it might not have it for a specific user, but it has it for a specific package. Does it make sense? So here you log in as root or admin, then you go to packages, then feature manager.
Okay, just a moment. Products and services. Did you say WHMCS?
No, WHM.
Oh. Okay, so that means I need to log in as hosting
as root or as root or the admin. Any user. No, it should be root.
WHM. Okay, let me log into WHM. Let's take QG. I doubt this.
Okay, someone wants to try this without what? Without Zoho. Yeah, but man, for me, because I know that VPSs get abused a lot, I don't really encourage hosting emails on VPS, but it's okay.
I also do not.
Yeah, it is. I wouldn't want people to go through. That's a real, because also imagine the guy is giving you maybe 2 GB of hosting, and then you are receiving emails on that server, and then
You said I edit a package?
Yeah, wait a moment. You go home, packages, then feature manager. Home, packages, feature manager. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Then edit the feature list that's assigned to your users, often named the default. So when you see the feature list, kindly tell me if there are others apart from what? Apart from default.
I don't have any.
You don't have any.
I
Ah,
don't have any.
oh, really? So,
So let me add a
what does it
default
show?
one.
What does it show?
Nothing.
Nothing, huh?
Okay,
Nothing.
but
Mm,
now that I'm adding one, allow me
mm.
share my screen.
Okay. All right. Uh,
I don't know why you would be laughing. This is.
it's you who started it.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see feature manager. Then hold on, what's that select box at the top? Select, oh, no,
Select
no,
all
no,
of
no, no,
first.
no, 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 we can't select all of them. Let's try to type zone and we see. Try to type zone. No, 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 where there's a search above this. Yeah, zone editor. Mm-hmm. No, yeah, this one over here, the second one. I think the
Do I
second
remove this?
one. Yeah, just. Mm-hmm.
I take only this.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what does it say? Now you can see that add new feature list, manage feature list. So there is this one, which is I think do you see? Let's click edit on this one because I think it's the one that
On
is
the one I've
going.
created.
Yeah, because I'm thinking. Oh, okay. Click zone and we see
It's there now.
it's there.
So wait, the features that I've not selected, they will not go.
Yes, the features that you've not selected, it's most likely that they are not won't be provided. Do you know what? Let's do this. Let's go to the packages and we see what you have in the packages. The packages are there at the edit a package somewhere down there at the left to at the left sidebar. Edit a package and we first see from there.
Are you sure we are not going to show things?
We can see the packages you are selling us. Uh-huh. Kati, which package is that domain?
Just a moment, let me check it up.
The packages are listed here. Oh, okay. I get it. I get it. But we are seeing the screen. So,
Can you still see the screen?
yeah, but it's not moving. Overwatch.
Okay, the package is bronze.
Oh, okay. Let's edit that package. Go down a little bit. A little. Which feature? You see the feature list? Do you see the feature list?
Yes.
The default is there. Why wasn't it displaying it? Walieri. So click the drop down and we see if there's nothing. There's nothing, huh?
Just a moment. Let me check out something here.
Okay.
See if it will show me something more.
All right.
I am unable to access the feature list default.
So because probably it's not there. So we need to create a feature list. Yeah, we need to create a feature list and then we save it and then you select it here.
Okay, my question was, if we select it here, won't other features disappear for that package?
For that particular package,
Features that we did not choose.
yeah, they may disappear because you would have disabled them. So maybe what we do, we can create a new package and a new feature, and then for now you set the domain to that package because it won't change it that much. Does it make sense? You can duplicate the current package, okay? You duplicate it with another name, then we add a new feature list to it. Does it make any sense? Then
So what do we do? Add a package.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, no, no. Why don't you go edit a package and can't we duplicate the one that was there? Do you
I
remember everything it had?
no.
Yeah. So it's better we just go to edit a package because I think there is duplicate somewhere. So when you select it, is that the one? Edit
Yes.
and we see. So we first scroll down. Does it have anything?
There is
Does
no
it have?
option of duplicate.
Eh, that is tough, eh? Cut out.
It's okay.
Just
Let's add another package. I
cut.
hope I remember to delete.
Yeah, please remember to delete. Maybe, yeah. Aha. Say delete underscore package. Man, what if that might run as a command? Ay, 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 ay. Then you'll be like David Yankoze Chizu. Yeah. Yeah.
Packed domains. I'm going to
No, we
set
don't.
everything to unlimited. I have other
Okay.
domains that are depending on it. I don't know how
Oh,
it's affected.
okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Now, feature list. Yeah. Okay. Now, add. No, no, no. You've selected it. So now we have to click add.
Just to be sure.
Okay. Okay. I'm sure people, anyway, that is not part of this whatever, but I'm very sure that some people have not even ever looked at a dedicated IPs. So when they see they're like, dedicated IP, what for?
Okay, so we're changing the package.
Yeah, so now, have you saved it?
I want to change the package first, but I'm not seeing the option of change plan.
Where? Where? Because I don't see that. I don't see that anyway.
I'm changing in the back end.
Hey, now what you you list accounts. You
Okay,
list
I am done.
you are done doing what? Listing.
I am done. I've changed the package.
Oh, nice.
So
Now
if I
does the,
record,
Mhm. Let me hope the zoning editor is part of it.
yeah, it's perfect. It's working. So
Mm-hmm.
let me change the screen I'm sharing so I can share the screen you want to see.
Oh, great. Uh, Sir, the badde nsaba y'akasente ka lesson. So add text record.
Network yang sinunji.
Network yo si nnungi.
Network
Okay.
wange si mulungi.
Okay, so tosobola kumpeereza tasobola zikkiriza tuuka naye kiri fine njaziba
Oh,
ndi
so we don't
online.
have TXT.
Yeah, no,
Uh,
you have it.
these
TXT,
things have been hidden.
yeah, they hide, and
Remember
because
them.
you've remembered them now. I
I've
think
actually
that,
remembered why we removed them,
yeah, I think
but it's okay.
yeah, I think I know why you removed them because you could see them and you're like, what are these things for? They are many, you
No,
know.
we're working on something, and for
Mm.
the security of everyone using the server,
Mm.
we
This,
only turn them on. There's a specific package that has them.
yeah, okay, great. Kale, webale tulwisa wano tweyanziza. Kakati,
You're out together.
so now in let let wait, let me stop your sharing for now. Oh, how, because Google Meet looks like it allows multiple share, but I don't know how people can choose which screen to see.
The problem is with the focusing. So
What do
since
you
we
mm,
don't know
mm.
how to do
Let
that,
me oh, I've seen. Let me resume. So now, yeah, I've resumed.
oh
Uh
yeah, see,
mm, okay. Now what you see, guys, do you see my screen now?
mm,
So now here it says that on checking your DNS records, we see there's an existing SPF record for your domain. And
yes,
the CASA has mentioned that things were hidden. So That's why they say that multiple SPF records are invalid according to the sender policy framework. Okay, replacing the existing TXT record with the following Zoho SPF value. This one, you see that this one only has include zohomail.com, or replace existing TXT record with the following merged value. Now, this value shows you that I want zoho.com to send on my behalf. I want the A record of my domain to also send on my behalf. I want the MX records also to send on my behalf, and I also want this IP address to send on my behalf. So some people, because they don't like reading and they don't understand, they will copy this and put it there. But if you do that, my brother, my sister, you are causing yourself trouble, because now you don't know which server has this IP address. Okay, it could be for Zoho, this, but it's for me, I would recommend this one. If we are using Zoho, if we are not using Zoho, it's okay. We go to cPanel. Yes, sir.
This bottom server is my server.
Uh-huh.
I'm wondering why it is coming. Is it supposed to?
Here?
Yes,
this one?
You're talking about that domain. How? Why is it showing?
Do you see this? Do you see this red word?
Yes.
Multiple SPF records. Now, when we read this one, it says, on checking your DNS records, we see that there is an existing SPF record for your domain. So in other words, there's this as existing. But for them, they have formulated it for us to allow this, okay, your server and theirs. Is it understandable now?
Okay, so this means I can send my emails both with Zoho
and webmail.
Webmail.
Yeah.
So this is what I use if I have some emails with Zoho and some emails with webmail.
Yes, or some emails with Zoho, Microsoft, whatever. All right? Yeah, kati oyinza ogamba nti ku server yange ku cPanel ninako david@mokasa.site, naye ate mu Zoho ninayo info. Okitegeera? That's how actually some people give unlimited domains. Why? How? They know that for this client, this domain, these emails, they use them in their own intranet. You get? So they create them on cPanel. Kuba bakimanyi nti ezo emails, they are not going to be going out of that network. You get? Kati, babos ne baba weziri ku Zoho, weziri ku Gmail. Gwe ne weebuuza, guy agamba ba customer is giving them unlimited emails. How is it possible? Kumbe the guy understood the nature of operations of the business. Gwe tewagitegeera, gwe nobagamba sente. Kale. Now,
kati nga ye aganyulwa oba aganyulwa?
Aganyulwa ate abawa kye bayagala kubanga he knows their nature of operation. No, amanyi lwaki ngamba nti abatababbi kasita ategeera nti because why would he naye asobola obbabba kuba asobola obbasaba ssente za Google ate jjukira Google ne Zoho email batunda per user. Okitegeera? Kati ayinza kati saasobola obbabba n'abagamba nti buli user mumpe ssente bweziti, kumbe bano bali ka server kano beweereza bo within, they are not sending outside, so it doesn't matter, emails don't go in spam. Does it make sense? Naye kati zino ezaali badde nga zezaba boss, chief of staff, simanyi project whatever coordinator, lead, babayita bata senior project manager, nga so yeno
chief of staff lwaki abategulira ku Google direct
yajja kwegulira ajja kwegulira bajja kuba most companies that are big, they have an IT department, but baba kati the moment the company has chief of staff, it also has these people who are at the bottom. IT simanyi something, simanyi food provider something, simanyi cleaner something, simanyi vichi, and usually they send them emails babaweereza bu email mbu basobole coordinating era babuteeka ku active directory. Okitegeedde kati awo Peter active directory munaye ffe tuli bakakongoliro.
Because sometimes those people need to have access logins, and things like that.
Yeah, they have to limit them on some files, access of certain files n'ebirala. Okitegeera. Naye kale tweyongereyo. Kati so yezoho ya detecting nti the SPF you have is this one. Ogirabe? Okitegeera. Kati so for them they have added on theirs. Kati now it's up to you. Which one do we, for them they have just added this. You see that? They have just added that. Okay? Beyongeddeko. Kakati, gwamanya. Do we take Zoho alone? Or do we?
Yeah, we take Zoho alone.
Kale. Kakati jiteke yourself.
On Teledeo?
Kanjukutele naye, you also need to share just for formality, because I'm sure some people might be like, nzenga sibitegeera byakoleye emabega. Especially, I think this is the first text record we are going to configure. Isn't it? Today.
Nizo kantere okataddewo nkalabi. Nkaboine.
Okay. Okabona. Kale.
Copy. So,
tukoze otya ssibu?
Nkikoze. Jemuli?
Jendi naye. Yeah, we are seeing.
Nabadde mulundi gumu nenvaayo naye wendi kati.
I am sorry. Ngenza okutuuka clickinga ebintu bya Apple bino bannaye. So David, do I delete all these?
No. Waliwo awo gyendaba. Waliwo gyendaba ekulembedde. Waliwo gyendaba ekulembedde awo. Eriko editing. Yeah. Now paste that. Okay. Yeah. And now nti yeno SPF tena priority. Kitegeera ngeri MX kati yo
should I edit the time to leave now?
The what? The time to leave? You can change it to like 50 or 60.
So that
the time is
be a bit instant.
Yeah. Kati womanya nti bikoze. You just edit the time to leave. Increasing so that the DNS global DNS is catching up for longer, so that even if your server goes off, you bet you catches. Yeah, I think now you understand what I mean. So now let's see. Yeah, you see that it has already started appearing. Ochiraba naera litenavamu fully because eri ekyali cached, because that 1440 oba
to present nze
nkoze ntya review. Okay, yeah, you see here here ochiraba nti bagiraga gundiyo empya naye eno naye ekyaliwo because bakyagikachinze olwakalika time akanene kali akabaddemu. Okitegeera kati so yeah kati batolaba batandise ogimalayo, you see etandise oviramu ddala eyo. So kakati wano kitegeeza nti newoweereza email from your webmail baba tegenda because domain name egenda kebera which server is supposed to send on behalf of mokasa.site domain. Kati awobanga bano simanyi mpereza nkwata ne kati nga kali ka script ke mwalabye, because ka script kano ke mulaba ababadde wo ka script kano ke mulaba kalina ekintu kimu nti senda email osobola ogitayipingamu. kitegeeza ka script kano ne kagwa ku muntu, omanyi kyakola? Ye ateeka wano email oba teriyo bajja eri nga domain ya Mokasa, okiwulira? Kati wateekawo muno n'ateekamu byayagala oba biva yaggulwa birinki byaki dadadada ng'abiteeka muno mu bode. Kati ye ng'agenda, jjukira ye kyayagala ekinyusi kye kiri wano, okitegeera? Kiri wano ku bode, kuba abantu gye bagenda okukola kyosoma, naye mulimu linki egenda obatwala ku sateni sayiti, okiwulira? Kati ye baba nga banaamunoonyerezaako bamukwate, balaba eno email ne balaba nti eri ku Mokasa, nga biri bye twalaba luli
ne bagiblokinga.
Ne bagiblokinga. Kati musajja atunoobonaabona, ogezaako gamba kiraya nti we are working on it, naye nga naye byogamba you are working on it.
There is nothing you are working on.
I was actually going to say something about that script.
Yeah.
Because it can be used for malicious intent.
Yes. Yes, it can be used as for malicious intent. Kakati, naye kakati gwe nga gwe agaba gwe nanyini domain oba agabira ba customer gobayambi otya, because the thing is that you cannot say I'm a WordPress developer or designer alone. Bw'obanga oli UI designer baagala ng'osobola UI yo ogizaako mu HTML ne ka CSS, okitegeera? Balyoke baleeta ono anaateekamu JavaScript oba anaagitwala all the way to React. The same way when you are hosting, the more value added services you offer, the more money you can get, but also the more you are going to be trusted. Because ye client ajaga oli owange byonna byabimala, muwayo kasente katini mukubiraawo $100 n'akikola. Okitegeera? Kati so you have to be very, very, very vigilant about these things, like Joan said. Kati SPF kakati we tugira tusobola testinga tutya. Kakati olaba naye ate to hostingira ku gundi kweki to hostingira ku gundi kati have you heard about this thing where we connect send from on Gmail? Have you ever heard about that?
Yes.
Where you can connect your email,
yes,
and incorporate ng'ekolera mu Gmail.
I've done that a lot for my clients, actually, all of them.
All right. Kati olaba nti lwakuba bagiverifyinga. Naye singa aba tebagiverifyinze oli n'agigatta mu send from, ne bw'oba oyagala otya okukako ka SPF record kagiyamba. Okitegedde? Kokka kagiyamba. Nebanga oli tasobola kukozesa domain yo bino nti ogwolinako email emu ye naagala n'akureatinga emails and anazifakinga ati yo domain n'aweereza. Bino biba tebisoboka. Kale, kati ekyo nakyo tukimaze. Yes, sir.
How do you protect yourself from such vulnerabilities?
Eziriwa?
From like someone can use your email, like essentially using that script.
Anti kyekyo kye tuva okukola. Olaba SPF record gye tugase kweyo gundi. Eyo yokka emmala.
So which means I'm safe.
Okuggyako waafuna password. Wafuna password ate kati wafuna password ate tiba abataze mu control so yabafuuse conductor weeri babayita batya. Someone says akakasente katini ka $100.
Actually, ennaku zino ababba amasimu, what they do, they take over your mails, so you need to be careful. What I want to understand, that means if I've not created any mail, can someone use the script?
If you've not created
any mail and activated anything.
Yeah, now, if you've not created any, okay? What is happening to my phone here? If you have not created any mail, okay? But you've set the MX record. somebody can access it, can use it. So you have to be very careful. If you've not created any mail for your domain, make sure that your domain doesn't have MX records. If it has, people are going to fake emails and send fake email addresses and send.
Come again in that statement.
If you have not created any email account on your domain, yeah? If you have not created any email account on your domain, but the domain has an MX record set for it, okay? Someone can go in the script and just put in any email account at your domain, and they'll be able to send.
You deserve some $100 from one of those big guys there, I think, because this is something very nice for us. I think Mr. Kasa can give you $100 for us. Thank you.
God is save. Yeah. So let me just do whatever. Put my phone on charge here.
Your phone uses a blower to charge.
Man, my phone is put on a what? I have to smoke it.
Maybe you charge on TikTok. I don't know.
The problem is that you guys, we've gone beyond the time. So, but because I came late, I'm even afraid to say let's stop. But anyway, let's.
The time is still okay. We can continue for like an hour.
Let me see. Ngoli mutem.
I still demand my food.
What was the Afumbia Matanende cow?
Anaya wachala bajja kubagobamu. Wabachali kitiibwa. So,
ekirungi oli mufumbo bajja kuweereza ebyokulya.
Anti waliwo okudda ne basanga omwana tannalya.
So let's look at the DKIM record. But what it does, record enable email authentication by digitally signing outgoing emails with a private key, allowing recipients to verify the sender's identity. Kati okirabye nti SPF ekuyamba not to send, not other fake emails not to send, but also this one authenticates so that if you send it to Peter at Gmail, Gmail is going to check whether actually this email message is originating from the right email account. Ebyo nakati tugezaako kwewala message yaffe egenda mu spam. Buli kamu wekatiikinga. Okay? Nga spam tugenda tumukola ki? Tumwewala. Kakati, the structure consists of two parts. A public key used to verify the signature in the outgoing email, and the what signature created using the private key and the email content. So this is the example. DKIM1, then this KRSA is the type of signature. Then they put the signature like that. All right. Now, all of this can be hard to generate, but I can tell you, your whatever will generate it. And if you are hosting on cPanel, it will generate it. If you are hosting on your Namecheap, Nekua hosting, Jogendo kukeberera your panel for Namecheap, they must provide it. But some providers, Namecheap, GoDaddy, they know to sell all these things. Because for them, they know to make money. And the bachimanyo limukwewonya babbi na muku securing a better business. So sometimes sell these things.
Even hosting.
Bonaddala abo abatunda ku layisi ennyaabo batabuka. Batabuka mu kuseeringa. But anyway, now on Zoho, what do? I first click OK here to see if SPF is verified. Yeah, it's verified, sir. Now we go to DKIM. Okay, now DKIM in Zoho, you first have to add the status to on. They allow you to put it on. But in cPanel, you just find it there. All right. So I'll click this status. Are you sure you want to enable? Yes. What? I have to first add. Wait. Cannot be enabled for this domain as no verified default selector. Oh, so I'll click this. I wanted to make it set as default. Okay, we need to verify it first. So let me go back a bit. So I click here. Then we are going to add this cursor and this. So now where this one becomes tough, some domain hosting, some domain reseller, some domain registrars, their system doesn't take all of this number. All of this, what? Is it a number? No, all of this character. It does or text. It does not take it. So since it does not take it, sometimes you have to go to net and say DKIM splitter. Okay. Like now, I think this splitter here. Then you can come over, copy all of this, put it here. Then they have split it for you. Now, when you copy it, it will come as if it's split. Let's see. Now, when you, let's see. Yeah, you see this plus, this plus. I believe they are not there in the original. Let's go to the original. Yeah, you can see that it has them. Let me see. This one. Copy result to clipboard. Okay, let me click copy again. And then I paste. Oh, probably this. It could be this. It could be this whatever here. This / could be the one that shows now they have reached at a level because they have a certain length. You know how you hashing algorithms. They are those that are what? 64, 32, so on and so forth. Guys, can I pick someone's call? Someone needs to pick something. Let me pick him and give him something, then I come back. Please.
All right. Thank you so much, David. Friends, I think we can use the break. We can take a 2-minute break in case you want to refresh, take some water, get a cold drink.
We were on the DKIM. Katinade mbagamanti DKIM weno erina length. Okay. In fact, let me see. Here, where's there? What are the different length of DKIM records? Yeah, so let's see. Mama, ngeruddewo kubirowooza demanyi jja kwanguwa. Okay. Has it understood the length I'm talking about? Probably it has not. But like I was saying earlier, that algorithms is hashing algorithms usually hash to a certain length of text. But then some domain service providers, they may have something that is, some domain service providers, they may say that this one is very long because some of them are one budget at 1024 length. Others are the number that is next to it. I think that is 248. So sometimes when you generate a 248 length, and you take it to your domain registrar, it might fail. That's why you need to separate it, to split it, so that it can be, yeah, you see there is even this one of 496. So you are going to sing a mazobi processing. Manyi DeepSeek processing anga gundi eri bagita batya grok. So anyway, kakati we tweyongerayo tugenda kuwa Moses Kasa gundi yaffe eno. Moses Kasa ndi mubiweereza. So nga we twakoze kuki here ako kagenda wali ku host naye ndooza tugenda kiraba abantu bakirabe, because the more they repeat something the more they get used, because we may assume nti babitegedde. So yeah, there you go. Kati you share, then we can all right. Naye no video ani anasobola I don't know how big it will be. Maybe they will use Handbrake. There's a software called Handbrake. It compresses them before they upload. It compresses them without losing quality. Mukulu Moses gyali oba abadde ali ku dance.
Again, just short call.
Okay, naye muwulira aze. Sebo,
I am looking for that screen where we were working previously. Zone edit.
Okay.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you found it. So actually, Moses, you see that you already have some Ojirabe record default domain key. That is similar to DKIM.
Era it is DKIM here.
Yeah, yeyo gunje yakola bagita batieno.
Name chip.
Gundi. Yeah, name chip oba Gundi. No, your server. This is the one your server generated. Yeah.
So I'm going to edit this one.
No, don't edit it. You can add. Just add. Because olaba wali yanjawuloko. Kati, yeah, the first one kateka we wali. Yeah, text. Akasoka ako kateka. Yeah. Yeah, then chiri the other whatever ogiteeke one ewali gundi. Ewali text. The other long value. Yes, oli mulungi. Kati so now, because now when we are checking this domain key, waneno mu let me resume to share. Let me see. Yeah. Olawa wano here tetugenda bwetuti. This one won't give us what we want, because this one checks text records that are on mokasa.site. Naye olwokuba domain keys are sensitive and they want them to be faster, so they usually tell you to give them a specific name. Now that specific name, no one. Kati o subdomain. Kati so what happens is that you tuba tujikebera, tuteka eyo subdomain wano, yotekawo ka dot, yotoka tujikebera. Ojiraba already. You see that? Yes, it has mapped. Akadyeta na mappinga biba bali Mexico, abali ku network ya Canada, abali mwezo. Lili in France, I don't know. Gwabyogedde naye mu Canada bobaako bambi tobiwuliriza ebyo. So, kakati now we can try to verify. It has verified in no minute. Anai. Kakati eyo twagambye eryamba ku authenticating nti nkukakasa bana abantu kyova oweereza emails to people in the government, to people bano bolaba katika tugambe you want to send Balam at Ministry of what? Gender something. Kati your ministry weba nechi ne website. No weereza. Sometimes your email might not be delivered there. Because boche bakola. Eriba IT bawe baga if the email comes nga terina authentication tena DKIM truly. So that's how even people fail out on jobs ne bagamba yiyi naweza ka email kange tebanziramu abantu abo babi nnyo kumbe system yakawuta nekakanyuga eri omukulu takalabanga ekiraba kati awo gundi wetutaasiza zino email zetulina ku Gmail okitegeera ezitutaasiza naye era omusajja ayinza okunyiiga naga buli email eva ku domain ya Gmail tebagikkiriza kati gwe n'obeera eno n'obonaabona. All right, now that is the thing. Kati DKIM ne SPF sinange gye tugenda zitestingamu right now. Yes?
I wanted to ask you, so if they are blocking, let's say Google, Google Workspace baba balesewa.
We ba blockinga Google basobola blockinga at .gmail abo baba safe because baba wa Google Workspace bali kuki bali ku domain zaabwe okitegeera naye kati wayinza okugira obuzibu kwekola block nga gye bakola kuki ku Facebook nti eyo ba blockinga the entire DNS of Facebook ne bwogiyita togifuna okujjako ng'oyise mu ttano. That's where we get the VPN. Kyova olaba nti Facebook ne bwogenda n'oteekako incognito mode mu browser togifuna because ba blockinga DNS ne IP zaako. Kati kyo kino ekyo blockinga domain kisobola okutaasa wekigaanira weewonga ba blockinze IP address. In fact zino zuya firewalls ze bateeka ku network nga kati MTN zayinza oteeka ku network baleme okuhakinga bakasitoma baabwe. They make a lot of mistakes. So they can just have something wrong and a malfunction and they filter IP addresses. Kati nga waliwo IP address gye twalabye yabaddeko ka /24 ng'eyo tuli ku subnet network yonna. So kati osobola ofuna IP address ya gmail.com ne ziblockinga subnet yonna. Okiwulira? Kati awo nabo bayinza oddugenderamu aba workspace. Naye ekirala ekirungi kiri nti baba Google is too big that it controls a lot of internet service providers. In fact, I don't know if you know that, but we would not have Simba, Bano Savannah if Google did not come to Uganda. Because they had to first set up a certain network mutaka okitegeera nabako ebagituusa kati bano ne basobola okubanga tekibeera expensive nnyo bo kuteekawo ezo tunnels kati bo they hook they bill they book they hook they bill ye Google ndoza akasente kaake expecting eyo myaka Google nono yali oyo wagundi liquid telecom. They did that. So anyway, that's the thing. Kakati, I think I've answered your question. Kat DMARC record. Okay. Kati, now, hey, are people seeing my screen? Ovanit?
Yes, they are seeing.
Okay. So this is domain-based message authentication, reporting and conformance. So you see that D stands for domain-based. M for message. F for authentication, R for reporting and confirmation. Now, neziri nazo zibadde ne gundi zaazo zezistandinga for zizi SPF, ZMX, kagundi njakaba wanga we nabagambye. Kati now, laba bagaga, DMARC is an email authentication protocol. It builds on the widely deployed SPF and DKIM protocols. Meaning what? Don't set up SPF and DKIM. DMARC becomes useless. Ate kirungi ekituyambye ne bana abazoho bakituwadde ng'example wano nti ne baza arranging in the order esooka jozaako ne gy'onoosembyayo okitegeera otherwise bw'ogamba nti kambe ne DKIMs ne ndaasirina email yo teba full. So additionally it includes a reporting function that allows senders and receivers to monitor and protect their domain from fraudulent email. okitegeera kati yo oba setting up there are things you have to select yo tokola ki togamba yo teri awo bubeezi mbuno bagenda kuwa value kigwe no so they have an action to be taken when DMARC validation fails nti do nothing to the emails, quarantine the email or reject the emails. I think you know what quarantining means. Put it in trash. That is what quarantining means. They get the, exactly. Put it in trash. Now reject, they reject it. Nti naye ngero ejjawuwo tegenda sizoweereza wabula zibaweerezaani gwe oba kitegeera nti singa bagezaako validatinga DMARC ng'oli akwereza email bagenda kuddira bagambe kyewasazeewo oba agambye nothing it is nothing okay naye bw'oba wagambye nti bagikarantining bagendagendako eyo email webanga yabadde info @mokasa eyo email bagendagenda mu info bagiteeke mu trash oba mu bin sometimes they call it bin okay so things like that kati wogamba do nothing esobola okuyitawo n'ogifuna kati then wano bagga aggregate notification email address now wabawo email address kwe bagenda owereza message buli failure yaweebaawo. Does it make sense? So provide the email address to which the aggregate DMARC reports should be sent to. These are consolidated reports with the compiled information about validated and failed emails and will be sent by participating email servers. So whenever you work whereas a DMARC and ebaji processing, they send a message to that email. Kisobola okukuyamba omanya nti munaye we twafilutaringa ennyo kubajjukira some way of you preventing your customers from getting spam is by filtering out, isn't it? Because you can say waliwo kino ki email kiva Russia nogenda nokwata mu kifo ky'okublockinga email nogenda nokwata domain yonna eve Russia yonna n'ogiblocking. I don't know if you've done it before, Kasa, where you go and blacklist a full IP or you blacklist a full what? A full domain. Now, when you block...
That is why some of the features are now blocked.
I see. So, the thing is that now when you have the DMARC, there's a chance that you get to know that so and so sent an email naye neta validating oba ne validating and neta bachi sent. Watch it again. Kati obuzibu bwayo, you have to really be patient. Inti oyina kuba to panicking. People who panic, it can cause them to make a lot of mistakes. If you don't know how to explain, kati customer or kati I have a certain startup working in health tech. Now we set it on their email. Now every time they could forward me, this is we've received this email. What does it mean? We've received this email. What does it mean? So my suggestion is let the aggregate email not be the email of the people who don't understand the game. Let it be maybe also Gamanti. Sometimes there's a email Jempita web developer, what Jempita developer concerns, what Jempita, no reply. Such emails, nteroba nazo ngazo sijiwadde client. Era kyovula banzo wembankuwa kuzoho ngenda gifunira bwerere. Sikugamba nti no it gives free email account. Sikugamba nti egaba free 5 email accounts. Nkugamba egaba 4. Because wabawe n'eyokutaano nga nze njagala gikozesa nga administrator. All right. Kati now in that case, tusobola okugamba nti are technical stuff. Of course, tojirina naye, I'm just putting it just like that as an example. Kakati, forensic notification email. Enter the email address to which forensic DMARC reports should be sent to. These reports contain information about failed DMARC validations and can be used for troubleshooting. Now, for people who have like Gmail, eza business yamwe naye nga tebizwa bakasitoma. Kati wano wekikolera nti katugamba olina Gmail yo naye tewagiwa kasitoma, tewali agimanyi, just zino systems z'okozesa. Kati what trick do you do? Those who don't know. The trick you do is katuge email eyo eba Able State Cloud. Okay? Kati nteekako ka plus neŋŋamba nti no Mokasa tege neŋŋamba nti no DMARC at gmail.com. No, not .dmarc plus kitege. Kati Gmail erina ekintu ekiyita bakiyita kirabidde bakiyita whereby bw'oba ne email ng'eri david@gmail, you can have earliest emails like David plus Wampamba. Ng'oli bw'aweereza ng'abadde amanyi nti naaweereza David Wampamba naye nga tali sure, email eyo ejja kujja wa David@gmail. Kasita separating with these plus. Okay? Nkikozesa nnyo when I'm signing up on websites where I'm not sure if those websites will send me spam. Kati nga katugawe mba signing up ku Facebook. So kola Able State Cloud plus Facebook. Now every email will come to Able State Cloud. Naye nze njategeera nti spam waba ali center to Able State plus Facebook at Gmail, kitegeeza nti Facebook yempereza spam. Kati awo nsobola okitegedde nsobola ogenda nenjikola ki nenjijjayo nga sigenze nakugenda nsobola n'obuta unsubscribing nengenda nenkola ki nemblocking. So kati ekyo nakyo ndowooza tukitegedde. Because man, we need to be those professional people. You get that? Because yeah. Then after that, kati waliwo gye baweerezako aggregate notifications, waliwo gye baweerezako forensics. Forensics byebyo nti tulowooza email eno like eri malicious. Kitegeera. Because of this and this, oba originating an IP address yali blocked for sending, oba nti abalala bagiflagging. Because actually, this is also a tip. Whenever you receive spam, don't just delete. If it has where a button report, please report. Because we're reporting plugins in a casement, their database are going to receive this thing. Kati tubenga towonyeza gwe weka nengo wonyeza n'abalala, because a casement is always going to block that. Abakifuna naye abantu abamu ye wafuna spam delete. The only way to add your voice to security is that kati olaba ekirala zino emails eziri erinnya lyazo njerabidde oba zita email aliases, ndowooza sometimes systems ezimu zizigaana, kati era eno egigaanye because they know that they can also be used for abusing. Kati ekigaanye naye kanzijemu plus emu ndabe era egigaanye. Kati awo you have nothing to do apart from putting the right one. Kati then action to be taken when DMARC fails for subdomains. Kati bw'obanga olina subdomains nga watugaye nti olinako other. Kati abantu abamu oba bayinza n'obutaba abantu. Katugeze oyinza setting up WordPress. Kati wano ng'omusetting up n'ogamba musettings up ku subdomain gye bayita david.mokasa.net. Kati ng'omusetting up email nayo n'oteekayo oba kitega email n'oteekayo ya subdomain nti info@david.mokasa.net. Naye nga ggwe at the back of your mind tokimanyi. Okitega kati WordPress akanyaweereza information okwo ku subdomain tozireceiving, tomanyi kigenda mu maaso ng'okola ki nga ofiirwa. Naye kati kano kakuyamba, you can say nothing or quarantine or reject. Okay? But if you say reject, now enter the percentage of messages to which the DMARC policy is to be applied. This tag provides a way to gradually implement and test the impact of the policy. The default value is 100. So, I don't remember, some people can research, but I don't remember the wabawo percentage eba very stringent, very conservative, too strict, and there is a percentage which is a little bit lenient.